अस्सलामुअलैकुम एवरीवन। आज हम पढ़ेंगे करंट अफेयर का एक पास्ट पेपर है जो 2005 में आया था और उसी के जो मोस्ट रेलिवेंट एमसीक्यूज़ हैं वो हमने इसमें ऐड किए हैं। तो पहला क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज़ द वर्ल्ड ओल्डेस्ट इंटरनेशनल ह्यूमन राइट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन? And I guess it's Amnesty International. Oh my God, it's true. Actually, I am attempting it very first time too with you guys. The second question is, which country has not ratified the Constitution of the European Union? Okay, it's UK. Oh, very good. It's true. After the US, which country is the largest contributor of the United Nations budget? Of course, it's Japan, because Japan is the largest contributor in Asian Development Bank too. Next question is, Ariana is an airline of which country? Afghanistan. What percentage of Pakistan electricity is produced from thermal sources? It's 80%. What major challenge is China's fastest growing economy facing? It's inflation. Yes. US President George Bush created the Millennium Challenge account to promote what in developing countries? To promote education. Very good. The 38th parallel is a boundary line between which two countries, North Korea and South Korea. पढ़ के 4 साल हम तंग आ गए थे ये चीज़ें. In which month does the United Nations General Assembly usually meet every year? September. In which organization has Pakistan recently been given the observer status? It's OIC, Organization of Islamic Cooperation. The next is the project to reduce water lodging and salinity area in Pakistan has been financially supported by World Bank. इस तरह का कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट है कहीं पे भी हो रहा है, वर्ल्ड बैंक ही इसको बैक करता है. Pakistan and US navies recently conducted joint exercise in the Arabian Sea by the name it's exercise Sea Breeze. Which of the following internet search engine will introduce the world's biggest digital library? It's Google. The recently appointed United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees Antonio Guterres is the former Prime Minister of Portugal. ये भी हम पिछले 4 साल पढ़ कर तंग आ चुके हुए थे और अल्लाह करे जब तक हम कोई टेस्ट ना पास कर लें तब तक यही रहे. When a country grants another country MFN, most favored nation status in mutual trade, it implies, of course, low trade barriers for that country. The program United Nations Millennium Development Goals is focusing on. It's focusing on poverty and inequality. The largest agency of FATA, federally administered tribal areas, is South Waziristan, obviously. Reuters is the news agency of UK. SAARC Human Resource Development Center is located as Islamabad, Pakistan. Under VN 2025, WAPTA will construct Satapara Dam on the Indus River in Gilgit-Baltistan. ये नाम से ही पता चल रहा है सतपारा डैम, तो ये गिलगित बल्तिस्तान में है. Okay, let's check the result now. It's 100%. तो फिर मेरा टेस्ट क्यों नहीं पास हो रहा? हाँ चलें, अब नेक्स्ट में आपको 2006 का जो पास्ट पेपर है रिलेटेड टू करंट अफेयर उस पर वीडियो बनाऊंगी. तब तक के लिए खुदा हाफिज़.